So last week, after about 2 weeks of procrastination, I finally sat down to record some video ads, and this was on the back of probably 2 days of online training and going through a course that was explaining how you stage the messaging in your video ad for most effective delivery. And honestly, the procrastination came from me having fear about not being perfect enough with the advertisement I was producing. And it made me think about other times in my career, and I know probably you guys run into this too, where you're doing something new for the first time. Think back to my first job right out of college. I took inbound calls at a call center, and people would get mad about their websites being down. It was both tech support and sales. And I was really scared to do that, but you don't learn unless you do trial by fire. And it makes me think about working with junior reps in the past. They're super scared to lead their first demo, or I'm sure engineers feel this way, trying to lead a meetup for the first time, or lead a technical demo, let's say. Or even executives. Executives have to give speeches and presentations all the time to both companies and external facing, and perfectionism can be super debilitating, but at the same time, I think it's important that we think about quality. So it's certainly a fine balance and something I'm working on. So as I'm producing these videos, really forcing myself to not be a perfectionist and just get some thoughts out into the world. So are you struggling with perfectionism at all? If so, maybe leave something in the comments about when you struggled recently and how you got through it. Have a good day.